What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be talking about the number one secret to ensure your success in the music business. Before we get right into it, hit that subscribe button. Hope you enjoy it. So the number one secret to build a great music business career, it comes down to this one thing: build an audience. Once you have an audience, you can do just about anything and you will have a long career. But build a real meaningful audience. This is the number one thing you should do and be focusing your time on: building an audience. Once you have an audience, you can do just about anything. The 3 steps to follow to build a strong, loving, and loyal audience are these next few steps. Get your notes, get your notebooks ready, take these notes down. If you do the 3 things that I'm about to say, it will change your music career for the better. Alright guys, so number 1, love them. You gotta love your fans. Don't be a freaking asshole. Like, be a good, genuine person and you will build a great following of people that are just like you. Alright, number 2, respect them. Show your fans the respect that they deserve. You know, at the end of the day, you are who you are because of your fans. You wouldn't be anywhere without your fans. So you got to respect your fans. Number 1, love them. Number 2, respect them. All right. Number 3, provide value to them. If you don't provide them value, they're not going to be following you. They're not going to like you. They're not going to show up to your concerts, your events, your meet and greet. They're not going to buy your songs. They're not going to buy your merch. At the end of the day, you got to provide value. Don't be a shitty person. All right. So remember these 3 things and they will change your music career. Number 1, love them. Number 2, respect them. Number 3, provide value. All right, and I'll just leave you guys. I'll end the video with these next 2 little things right here. To put it in numbers, you know, let's do some basic math. 500 super fans spend $300 per year with you. You will make $150,000 a year. Simple math. You know, if you build 500 super fans, a following of an audience of 500 super fans, and they spend $300 per year, that will give you a 6-figure income. Go figure. All right. And another little tip right here is, I want you guys to focus on finding your 1,000 true fans. When you find your 1,000 true fans, I'm sure you've heard of this many times, but that is the number you want to hit, because once you hit that, you're set. As long as you don't do anything stupid, you're set. So focus on building your number 1, your 1,000 true fans, and the number 1 secret: building an audience.